With the newest iOS update, your iPhone can now flash the screen or flashlight when you get a notification. Here's how to enable Flash for alerts on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Flash for alerts is an accessibility feature that makes notifications more noticeable. Your iPhone can flash the camera light, the screen, or both when alerts arrive. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Scroll down and select Audio and Visual. Scroll to the bottom and tap Flash for alerts. Turn on the switch at the top to enable Flash for alerts. You can choose to flash the camera flash, the screen, or both depending on your preference. By default, flashes only happen when your phone is locked. You can enable Flash while unlocked if you want alerts anytime. If you don't want flashing alerts when your phone is on silent, turn off Flash in silent mode. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically flash whenever you receive notifications. This feature is great for noisy environments, or when your phone is on silent. And that's it. That's how you enable Flash for alerts on iPhone in 2026. Subscribe for more iPhone tips and new features.